raindrops are falling on my head. And just like the guy's feet are too big for his bed, nothing seems to fit. Those raindrops are falling on my head, and they keep falling. So I just did me some talking to the sun, and I said I didn't like the way he got things done. He's sleeping on the job, and those raindrops are falling on my head, and they keep falling. But there's one thing I know, the blues they send to greet me won't defeat me. It won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me. Raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. The cry is not for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free. Nothing's worrying me. It won't be long till happiness steps up to greet me. Raindrops keep falling on my head, but that doesn't mean my eyes will soon be turning red. The cry is not for me, 'cause I'm never gonna stop the rain by complaining, because I'm free. Nothing's worrying me.
Okay, do one.
Is it good to speak with coaching?
Oké. Oké. Ja!
Or like went back to video too.
Why?
Because I was so busy with the video, I didn't really care.
Are you done? How done are you now?
I still need, I think, 20 seconds.
20 seconds.
But then I still like to do the storyboard and brainstorm all that stuff.
Wat ik ook kan doen is gewoon van elkaar werken. Een of die dag moet in een buurt gooien.
I'll do it today.
Maar wie zijn kar vat ons mijn of zijn.
Editing will take
Hij weet niet waar is je niet.
Nice.
Oké. Kan zeker werken.
Oké, we gaan via elkaar geven.
Okay.